Are you struggling to lose weight, even after trying so many diets? Don't worry. I'm going to share a simple, science-backed weight loss diet plan that actually works. No starving. Weight loss happens when you eat fewer calories than you burn. This is called a calorie deficit. Meal 1. Start your day with high-protein and fiber-rich foods like oats with chia seeds. Meal 2. Choose something light but healthy, like a handful of almonds or an apple. Meal 3. Keep it balanced with protein, veggies, and complex carbs like grilled chicken and salad. Meal 4. Avoid fried or processed foods. Try green tea with multigrain biscuits. Meal 5. Keep dinner light and low in carbs with grilled salmon or chicken soup. Here are some golden rules. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Bonus tip. Try intermittent fasting. An eating window of 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. could help. Follow this plan for at least 4 weeks, and you'll definitely start seeing results.